balcony and make a video instead of make a video of me dragging your fucking bag around.
We're done with our pictorial. When we got here, we immediately changed and did our pictorial for a prenup, and we haven't had a chance to show you our room. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. But first, I'd like you to listen to the music of the night. That's why I'm here at the balcony. And that's why I'm here in Chateau. I always forget the second name. I'm gonna sit here on this nice, beautiful sofa and just enjoy the night. So quiet. Love it. Oh my god. How is that old person in the water? It's not heated, swear to God. That's amazing. How can he survive this weather? The sun is out. Look at the view from our balcony. Pretty, pretty hurts. And I'm still in my bathrobe. We're gonna go for breakfast at 9, but before that, I'd like to have another photo in my vineyard. That's right, that's mine. Till 12 noon today, before the check out. And the breakfast is right there. What else? Oh, you've seen the pool area. And we got some companies. They're here for tour and wine tasting. I don't know where they're from, but I am assuming. And hell, I'm gonna give you a tour of this chateau in a few minutes. I'm ready. First look. How's that? So now I'm gonna go down in the backyard. I'm gonna set up a picnic for a picnic. Hopefully I'll be able to find a cloth. Probably not. I'm just gonna sit on the grass. We're on our way to breakfast. This is the outfit. I look like a haciendera. And there's another room here. There's only 2 rooms. Both rooms have balconies. Ours is just better. So this is the empty.
From my little friend.
Oh, okay.
The ugly dog.
The ugly dog. His name is Princess.
Is it?
I don't know.
He's a boy.
We made dog friends. We have 4 dogs. And they are our good friends here. This is the pool. It's not heated, so during winter or fall, it might not be advisable to go and swim, but I'm gonna do it because I saw an older man at 6 a.m. swimming in the pool, doing backstrokes and all the strokes that I don't know how to do. He was able to do it, so I'm gonna do it too. And I'll show you what I can do. So that's a beautiful view of the mountains and lots of more. Now we're gonna go to, here's the reception. They have conference hall, and this is the reception. Chateau Mosmieri, if I pronounce that correctly. Beautiful reception. And then we're gonna go to a few steps, and we are out of the crowd. And this is the lounging area. You could read books while looking at the vineyard, and then it's beautiful fall trees. Fonseca.
Fighting in the dirt. The dogs are wrestling in
The dogs are fighting in the dirt. They always do. They're playing around. Okay, just walk through and then you see that house. That's actually a restaurant and a house on the left. Babe, you're looking great, babe. Your shoes. What is it? Why are you matchy today?
I guess because you.
Because of me. You're not gonna swim?
I will not swim, no.
Why?
Cold.
You're gonna miss it. If the 100-year-old man was able to swim in the pool at 6 a.m. doing backstrokes, you can do it too.
Oh, here's a new dog.
An older dog?
Yeah, I don't know what it is. You didn't see him last time.
That's where they exit. If you have a car, or if you rented a car, then you can park it here. Parking, no problem. Hi, old man.
You act like you know who I am.
Careful! You're always touching.
Oh, they're fine.
You never know. You never know. They see you as a sausage walking. Oh, this is a walking sausage. You're gonna bite. Okay, this is not great. Stay where you are. Take this lane. I'm excited for breakfast. Do you think they have pancakes? I hope that there is a hot chocolate, pancakes, kachapuri, eggs, sausage, bacon, cheese, and that's it. Hot cocoa would be really nice. Very dreamy. Wine manufacturing area, wine tasting area, the restaurant. Beautiful view. This is their own wine, Mosmieri. This is the beautiful restaurant, nice centerpiece, and I'm gonna grab one rose. How do I look?
Buffet.
Where's the? It's not a buffet. Oh, there's the buffet.
How did you not see it?
Because I was looking at our friend, the lady last night. The vineyard. Oh, my dad planted it years ago for me, so that I don't have to work anymore. Just come here when it's ready for harvest. Okay, bye. Pancake check. We're gonna sit outside. Fruits check. We have cookies.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Thanks, and you?
Good. Thank you. They got lemonade iced tea. Morning. Hi. Bacon. Looks like a pizza. Love that. We'll find our seat outside because we are outsider. Right here. Morning, everybody. Communers. No one's there. Okay, talk to you guys later. They're so sweet. They gave me a blanket because it's cold. The cold doesn't bother me anyway. And then I got lots of stuff. I think I'll be able to finish everything because I'm a sucker for buffet breakfast.
I have Dijon.
Dijon. What is Dijon?
The spicy mustard. The brown mustard.
Oh, the like
British.
bitter? I don't
That's
like
why
it.
you would know it. Oh, you don't like it?
I think I bought one time and you like it, but I don't.
Yeah,
And I
so
mix
good.
it with honey. We're done with our pictorial. This is the best shot. Sun is nice. trees looking great. And the grass is greener. This is our room. Do the honors, sir.
Sure.
You feel honored? Ta-da! The first thing that will greet you is my dirty shoes, twin bed, closet. It's messy because we are messy. Nice couch that could be converted into a bed if you have kids. What else? Nice desk. And I believe I already showed you the balcony earlier. Oh, I love that they have mosquito net door for the bees and for the other stuff that flies, like just like that. Lounging area, view of the pool, of the vineyard, this amazing balcony. This is a TV, and that's the stairs coming up here, and that's me right there. This is very interesting to me, this kind of pine tree. It's like grayish, like snow in it. It looks very cool. So this is the view from our balcony. Very sweet, very romantic. So that's it. Oh, our bathroom. Our bathroom is, they don't have a bathtub. They got a shower. Okay, let me quickly show you the bathroom. And the bed is stamped with its name. We get nice bathrobe and slippers, customized. And that's it. That's the bathroom, simple. Well, I won't let the swimming pool go. It's cold.
Oh.
Is here? Oh, hi! Morning! How are you? Here's our favorite dog. Hi, how are you? You were sick last night.
Little ugly.
Don't call him ugly.
Oh, he's okay. Don't drink that water. Don't do that. No. It's not good
I'm gonna
for
take
you.
pictures and then swim.
That water is not good for you.
I don't swim, but
For sure, that water
I call it swimming. Anyways, see you guys next time. Peace.